Imagine a world where your cracked phone screen repairs itself, or a scratch on your car disappears overnight. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality of self-healing materials. In the simplest terms, self-healing materials are designed to automatically repair damage without any external intervention, much like our bodies heal a cut or a bruise. This fascinating concept is not entirely new. It's been observed in nature for centuries and even in our favorite comic books. Yes, Wolverine, the comic book character, is a prime example. His superhuman ability to heal instantly has inspired scientists to create materials with similar self-healing property. The technology behind this is complex, but the basic principle is straightforward. When a material is damaged, the healing agents within it are triggered to fill and repair the damaged area, much like our bodies clot and heal a wound. Science fiction is becoming science fact, and the future is now. So, how do these self-healing materials work? It's not magic, but it might as well be. Imagine a thin layer of special polymer filled with microscopic capsules of healing agent. When damage occurs, such as a crack, these capsules break open, releasing the healing agent which flows into the crack. A chemical reaction with the embedded catalyst in the material causes the healing agent to harden, essentially healing the damage. Think of it like a tree. When a tree gets a cut, it doesn't just stay wounded, it secretes sap that hardens, protecting the tree from further harm. That's exactly what these self-healing materials do, but on a much smaller scale. There are different types of self-healing materials too. Some use a vascular system, much like our veins, to transport the healing agent. Others are embedded with tiny fibers that melt and fill in the damage when heated. From cars to cell phones, the possibilities are endless. So, what does this mean for you, me, and the world at large? Picture this: a world where your smartphone screen repairs itself after a nasty fall, or your car's paint job fixes its own scratches. It's not science fiction, it's the reality we're headed towards with self-healing materials. The implications are vast and varied across industries. In construction, imagine buildings that can mend their own cracks, increasing their longevity and safety. In healthcare, think about prosthetics that repair themselves, improving the user's comfort and the device's durability. And then there's the environmental impact. Self-healing materials can reduce waste and conserve resources by extending the lifespan of products. They can lessen the need for frequent replacements and repairs, contributing to a more sustainable future. Now we leave you with this question. If you could have one thing made of self-healing material, what would it be and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of science.